Hi, I'm Mauro, and this is how to install and configure your AWS Cloud Development Kit. Since I have already it installed on my computer, I'll show you how to do it on a new EC2 instance, but you can follow the same steps on your computer. The first thing that we need to install is Node, and for that I like to use NVM, Node Version Manager. I'll put the link in the description. Here we can copy the command to download and install NVM. Follow the instructions to make it work without reloading the terminal. Running this command, we can see the list of available versions to be installed, and I choose to install the latest long-term support version. Done. Now let's check if everything is okay, running node -v and then npm -v. Everything looks good, so we can now run npm install -g TypeScript. And then npm install -g AWS CDK. And then we can finally check that everything was installed correctly running CDK ---- version. Nice, our cloud development kit is ready. Now we need to bootstrap our AWS account. Basically, before being able to use the CDK in a region, it needs to provide a bucket and a few roles, and it will do it using a CloudFormation stack. Back in our terminal, we define which profile we want to use, and then run the CDK bootstrap command specifying the profile ID and region that we want to set up. As you can see, it creates a new stack that you can monitor directly from the console, and it is going to take something like a minute, so I'll pause the video here. The deployment is complete, so we are now ready to use the Cloud Development Kit in this region. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Ciao!